Okay, line 2 starts out, we got x plus 2y is greater than or equal to negative 4. Same thing, what needs to move first, Jesus? Yeah, what was you doing trying to do the other side? Ain't got nothing written down.
What you gotta do first? You gotta do the x's.
What you mean do the x's?
Subtract them.
Okay. Okay.
I know how to do it.
Wait till I call you up to the board next time. Okay, and then what? Divided by 2. Do we need to flip? So we got y, and we're going to get negative 2 minus 1/2 x. Okay, now these are ready to graph. Black line, where does it start? Starts at 2. What is the slope? Negative 5 over 2. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 2. Solid or dotted? Dotted. Okay, and it says y is what? Alex, are you having an off day?
No, I didn't. I only changed my sign on one of my fractions.
Oh, okay. Okay, and then line 2. Where does it start? Negative 2, and my slope is up 1 over 2. Or down 1 over 2. Solid or dotted line?
Solid.
Solid line. Okay, the blue line, am I shading above or below the blue line?
You shading up.
Yeah, above.
Yeah.
Okay, where is it shaded twice?
The third box. The bottom right.
This third box.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
It's that Oh.
It should be this box. And it would be like box 2, really. Like if you were trying to label it.
It's better.
Yeah, it's much better. What is this? Like, does this go with this? Oh. Why is your stuff always looking weird, man?
It's very first one I read.
Can I scroll?
Yeah.
11. Substitution. So, if you forgot the steps of substitution and you need them, okay, somewhere on here, write yourself a note. You need to go to Substitution Day 1 video on Canvas. I wrote all the steps out. Remember when I did that? It was like 9 or 10 steps. It's been a while, so if you need the steps, you're more than welcome to write them on the sheet, but I'm not writing them on the board. Okay, that's where you're going to find it, a Substitution Day 1 video. Okay, so what is our first step?
Don't you like add equations? What is that? Elimination. You add
Elimination.
the y after the 7, don't you?
Okay, what's the very first step?
Label.
Label, for sure. Okay, so step 1 is definitely label.
Do this.
And then what?
Shut up.
Okay, how can you tell the difference between substitution and elimination? There's a distinctive difference just by looking at the problem. Yeah, so when we have one that has just y equals, that is when we do substitution. Okay, so which equation says y equals? The top one. So we're going to circle it, and we plug it into the other one. Okay, so we got negative 6x plus 7, and instead of y, I'm writing negative 5x plus 15 equals 23. Okay, then what do we do? Distribute. Okay, so I got negative 6x minus 35x. What's 7 times 15? 105? 105 equals 23. What is our next step?
Add the x.
Yeah, we're gonna combine like terms. So what is it? 35 and 6 is gonna give me 41. Negative 41x plus 105 equals 23. Okay, and then what do we do?
You do 105 subtract 23.
Yep. So we're gonna say minus 105, minus 105. So I get negative 41x equals, what is 23 minus 105? I genuinely don't know, so somebody needs to look it up.
128.
You added, you gotta say minus.
Yeah.
Negative 82 seems right, I don't know. Okay, and then what?
Oh, you divide.
Divide. We got x equals 2. Now what do we do?
You're done. Oh no, you plug in the what is the original.
Yeah, the circled one up here, okay? So we got y equals negative 5, and instead of x, I'm writing 2 plus 15. Okay, this part you can type all in your calculator. Negative 5 times 2 plus 15.
10.
Both. What is negative 5 times 2? Negative 10. Okay, they're both well. What's the answer? 5.
Oh, they said.
Okay, are we finished?
Yeah. No.
No. We got to write out the coordinate. What's the coordinate supposed to look like?
2, 5.
2 comma 5.
I'm
Good.
forgetting that part.
Just gonna scroll
To what?
up, like just a little bit. Just a little
Huh?
bit
What?
above the coordinates. Thank you.
We're good?
Thank you.
Okay, elimination. There are 3 types of elimination. I'm going to write them down for you real quick. Okay, so type 1 is going to be where you have same number, but you got different signs. What do you do then with the equations? Yeah, we're going to add them together. Okay, type 2 would be same number. Same sign. And then what do we do with those? We're going to subtract them. Okay, and then step 3 is going to be not same number. Then what do we do? We got to multiply. Okay, and if you have something with the same signs, okay, you need to multiply by a negative. Same signs, we can say times a negative, okay, because we want them to be able to just add together. Okay, so if we look at number 13, do we have the same numbers?
Yeah.
Yes. What is it?
Oh, 9.
9. Do they have same signs or different signs?
Different.
Different signs. So what do we need to do?
Yeah.
We're going to add them together. What is negative 9 plus 9? 0. And they cancel, and that's what's supposed to happen. Okay, then you're going to get 8y equals negative 8 plus 20, negative 24. Negative 32. Okay, and then what? Divide by 8. So we're going to get y equals negative 4. What do we do with that? Plug it into one of the ones above. Does it matter which?
No, it don't really matter.
No, which one you want me to do?
Bottom.
Bottom? So I got 9x plus 6, and instead of y, I'm putting -4 equals -24. No, we're not.
Oh, no, you like the street.
Yeah. So I got 9x
You need like,
minus 24 equals -24. Dang, I thought I was watching something. I got excited.
They're coming.
Okay. Then I got the camera on. Okay, somebody's about to get a special shout out today.
let's see.
Bye, Jesus. Jesus, was you late today?
I don't think so. Maybe Roland called me late too. Yes.
Okay, and then we gotta divide by 9. So we're gonna get x equals 0. And our coordinate's gonna be 0, -4.
What is that?
What do you mean? What is that?
Lopsided.
Oh, because I'm running around. But I know you ain't talking about my handwriting.
What?
Let me show this to people. Look at this. Like, where's the
Baby,
room
guys,
to get a problem?
I can't even read it.
Why are my things on? Talking about my handwriting. And I'm writing on the board. You don't know, it's hard.
Oh, heck. I hate when you do that.
Cross that off.
No, we're not.
The backside, I even know.
It's for you
Alright,
one.
alright,
It's long.
You can do it for your little YouTube channel and then do later.
I'm not crossing off, no. Okay, 15. We got same numbers, different numbers.
Same numbers, same sign.
Same numbers, same sign, so we gotta do what?
Try.
Subtract them.
Let's go.
Okay, what's gonna happen to the x's?
Did they cancel?
Cancel. -2, or no, 2 minus -1. 3. Okay, my advice to you would be right like this. 2 minus -1. Okay, because once you do that, then some of you guys, if you're gonna do the math in your head. Okay, -26 minus -14. What are you gonna get? Huh? Nope. -26 minus -14. -12 sounds better. Okay, Jesus.
I already did it.
Okay, and then we're gonna divide by 3. So we're gonna get y equals -4. Which one do you want me to plug that into? Top one?
Yes.
So we got 2x plus 2, and my y is -4 equals -26. So you're gonna get 2x minus 8 equals -26. Then what? Add 8, good. So you're gonna get 2x equals something. 18?
That's what I got.
Okay. And then what?
Oh, I see.
Then divide.
It'll be like 9.
Yep.
Is it negative though?
Yes. Yes, it should be, because it should have been a -18. Okay, so I got -9 comma -4. What should your numbers be less than? 10. Okay, if they're over a 10 or they're a decimal or a fraction, okay, I say it's probably not right, but I'm pretty sure it's not right. Okay, so you need to go back there and check something. Okay, if you need me to scroll back up in just a second, I will. I'm running out of time on this, so. Okay, 17. Do we have 2 with the same number? No. Okay, what do you want to try to cancel? X or Y? X's. Okay, which x is smaller, 6 or 2? 2. Okay, so that's the one we multiply. 2 times what would give me 6? 3. Does it need to be a -3? No. Okay, we want stuff with different signs, and it already is. So we got 6x minus 10y equals 8. And then I got -6x minus 24y equals, what's -14 times 3? 28. 42? Somebody better check that. Negative 42? Okay, and now we're able to do what? Yeah. We're able to add them together. Okay, so I'm going to get negative 34y equals negative 34. Okay, and then what? Divide by negative 34. So we got y equals 1. Where do we plug that into? Any. It's got to be one of the original equations, though. That's the key, okay? It's got to be one of those ones in purple. So I'm going to say negative 2x minus 8 times 1 equals negative 14. So I got negative 2x minus 8 equals negative 14. Okay, and then we got plus 8 on both sides. What is negative 14 plus 8? 6? Negative 6? And then divide by negative 2.
It'll be 5 and 3.
Good. So it should be 3, 1 for your coordinate. Okay, everybody except for Jesus and Erica, because they were complaining. That was the rules today. You guys failed. Okay. All you had to do was all of the odds. Okay. If you choose to do the evens, then that's extra credit. Okay. But you have to do the whole side that I did, what you did with me. Okay. Anything else is extra credit as long as you didn't complain. So these are the only two that complained. Okay. So then you guys have to do the whole sheet.
You just go.
Is that